Okay, we just got a filing from GameStop, Schedule 13G, out of GME. Now this is for QSIP number, it's right here. Okay, let's see what this is. Dimensional Fund Advisors. Okay, so check the appropriate box. Sole voting power, 8,107. See Note 1. Let's go to Note 1. Note 1. Dimensional Fund Advisors LP, an investment advisor registered under Section 203 of the Investment Advisors Act of 1940. Furnishes investment advice to 4 investment companies registered under the Investment Company Act of 1940. Okay. In certain cases, subsidiaries of the Dimensional Fund act as an advisor or sub-advisor to the funds. In its role as investment advisor, sub-advisor, and or manager, Dimensional Fund Advisors LP or its subsidiaries may process voting and or investment power over the securities of the issuer that are owned by the funds and may be deemed to be the beneficial owner. Okay. So basically, we have a 13G out of dimensional funds. Now, if I remember correctly, this is an amendment. So it's a 13G/A. So they've obviously filed a lot of these today. So 13G/A just means they made a change. Let's look at what happened with GME. Okay, so go up one. Okay, so it shows they sold out, but they still have shares. I'm assuming that's because of their subsidiary mention that we just heard about. So one of the big owners just sold off GME today. Wow. Okay. 13F GME. Let's see. We're at 30% ownership. Yeah. So, yep. Dimensional Fund has dropped to 99.79% of their shares of GameStop. Basically 100%. That's what this is about.